Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a crucial topic, signs that your hair might be lacking protein and what you can do to nourish it. You know me, I'm all about that healthy lifestyle, and that includes taking care of your hair. We're going to break down the science behind protein's role in hair health and give you practical tips to make sure your hair is thriving. So, stick around because you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about brittle and dry hair. Our hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin. When your body doesn't have enough protein, it can't produce enough keratin. This can lead to your hair feeling dry, rough, and prone to breakage. Think of it like a plant not getting enough water. It withers and becomes fragile. Similarly, without adequate protein, your hair loses its strength and moisture. Now, we all lose a certain amount of hair daily. It's completely normal. But if you're noticing significantly more hair than usual on your brush, in the shower drain, or on your pillow, it could be another sign of protein deficiency. Protein is essential for the growth and repair of hair follicles. When those follicles don't get enough protein, they can weaken, leading to increased hair shedding. Consider taking supplements rich in keratin to support your hair's health and reduce shedding. Easily tangled and broken hair, the protein connection. Ever feel like you need a magic wand to detangle your hair? Well, if your hair is constantly tangled and prone to breakage, it might be crying out for more protein. Protein helps to strengthen the hair shaft, making it more resilient to damage from brushing, styling, and even just everyday wear and tear. When your hair is protein deficient, it becomes weaker and more susceptible to tangles and breakage. Loss of hair, elasticity, the snap test. Here's a fun little test you can do at home. Gently pull on a strand of your hair. Does it stretch a bit and then bounce back to its original shape? If so, that's a good sign that your hair has good elasticity. But if it snaps or breaks easily, it could be lacking protein. Protein gives hair its elasticity, allowing it to withstand stress and maintain its shape. Slow hair growth. Is protein the missing link? We all dream of long, luscious locks, right? But if your hair seems to be growing at a snail's pace, protein deficiency could be the culprit. Remember how we talked about protein being crucial for hair follicle health? Well, those follicles are responsible for producing new hair growth. Without enough protein, the hair growth cycle can slow down, leading to frustratingly slow progress. Incorporating protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and beans into your diet can help boost your hair's protein levels. Outro: give your hair some protein love. If you're noticing any of these signs, it might be time to give your hair some much-needed protein. Stay healthy and take care of your hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next time.